how to close game on PS5. So first of all, you're going to want to get your PlayStation 5 controller. There you'll want to click on the middle button on the PlayStation 5 controller. It should look like a PlayStation logo. Just go ahead and tap that once. Then you can see here in the middle of the screen, you'll be able to go along the bottom and then click X on switcher down there where it has your game. Then click on X on the game you want to close, the game that you're on. So I'm on Fortnite here. You can go ahead and click close game from there. Or you can go to the dashboard like this. And then you want to click this options menu button here that on the game that you want to close. So for instance on Fortnite here, then you can click close game on there. So you can do that from the dashboard. It's sometimes a bit easier to do it from there, or if you're in game, like I said before, all you're going to need to do is go ahead and press on that PlayStation 5 logo, then at the bottom of the screen click X on switcher, click on the game, then click close game from there. One of those two ways will work for you. Leave a like on the video for help, to subscribe for more helpful videos just like this one here.